Hello and welcome to my another video. Today I'm gonna show you a shutdown hack. Okay, this one is you're gonna have some application, so when you double click it, automatic your PC will gonna shut down. First, you're gonna right click it, click new, go to shortcut, then write shutdown /s, that means for start, then -t for the time. It's gonna be in seconds, so I'll put about 60 just for 1 minute, and /c for the comment. So we're gonna put some, how about, so I put Trojan detected, Windows shutdown, just to freak out the user. Then click next, and gonna put let's say, how about it, Internet Explorer. Next, we're gonna have some, of course, there's gonna be a shutdown hack, so let's have a abort for this one. Right, shutdown. This means -a is for abort. Click next, and so we're gonna have any name for that. So it's not a complete hack yet. First, we're gonna change the logo. Right click, properties, open file location, and then change icon. And we're gonna find the Internet Explorer. Okay, and apply. And okay. And here we are. And someone's gonna double click it. There you see, Trojan detected, and you're about to be logged off and close. And after 1 minute, your PC gonna shut down. To avoid that, just double click this, and the shutdown has been cancelled. And that's for today, and thanks for viewing.